how you can fix your J5Create docking station that is not detecting the monitor. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. So first, perform basic hardware checks. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Test the monitor directly with your laptop to confirm it works. Try different HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables. Connect the docking station to another computer to see if the issue persists. These steps help determine if the problem lies with the docking station or elsewhere. After that, verify your USB-C port compatibility. Know that not all USB-C ports support video output. Make sure your laptop's USB-C port has DisplayPort Alt Mode or Thunderbolt support. Now reinstall the docking station drivers. So unplug the docking station, then press Windows plus R, type dev-mgmt.msc, and press Enter to open Device Manager. Locate the docking station under USB controllers. Right-click and uninstall the device. After that, disconnect the docking station and wait about 15 minutes. Then reconnect it. Windows should reinstall the drivers automatically. Once that is done, update your system drivers. Outdated drivers can cause issues. Use Windows Update and check your laptop maker's website for the latest graphics drivers. You can also use a driver update tool for a thorough scan. For Mac users, follow these steps. Download the latest driver from the J5Create website and install it. Navigate to Security and Privacy, Screen Recording, and allow DJTV Virtual Display Agent or USB Display. Then restart your Mac and reconnect the docking station. Then test different ports and monitors. Try different ports on the docking station and test with another monitor to isolate the problem. Some forums offered a helpful tip. One user on Reddit said, "Go to your settings/privacy and security and screen recording and make sure that the DJTV Virtual Display Agent is allowed and the USB display is allowed. This worked for me." And after all that, if nothing works, contact J5Create customer support for further help. And that's it. That's how you can fix your J5Create docking station that is not detecting the monitor.